In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit or credit card from your Amazon account. First, go ahead and log into your Amazon account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Don't click it just yet. Instead, move your mouse over it and hover for a moment. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down, click on the option that says Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where Amazon groups different settings into tiles or sections to make things easier to find. On this account page, look for the tile labeled Your Payments. This is where Amazon stores your wallet information, including any debit or credit cards you've added. Click on Your Payments to open your Amazon wallet. Inside Your Payments, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. These might include debit cards, credit cards, or even bank accounts, depending on what you've added before. Take a moment to carefully find the specific debit or credit card you want to remove. You can usually recognize it by the last few digits of the card number and the expiration date. Once you've located the correct card, look on that card's tile for a button or link that says Edit. Click on Edit and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will show some of the card's details, such as the name on the card, the expiration date, and the billing address. Don't worry, Amazon typically hides the full card number for your security. At the bottom left of this pop-up, you'll see an option that says Remove from Wallet. Click on Remove from Wallet. After you do this, the pop-up will refresh or update to confirm that you really want to remove this card. This extra step helps prevent you from accidentally deleting the wrong payment method. When the refreshed pop-up appears, simply click Remove to confirm your choice. Amazon will then remove that debit or credit card from your wallet, and it will no longer be available as a payment method on your account. And that's it. Your selected card has been successfully removed from your Amazon account, and you're all done.